is Konstantin Fedchenko, Aviation Sales International, KFE Avia. Today we're gonna be flying this EXTRA 500 turboprop airplane, which is cruising at about 200 knots. And the fuel consumption is 150 pounds per hour. This is a pressurized aeroplane for 4 passengers and 2 crew with some cargo compartment in the back. This is Mark, my flight instructor for today. Say hi.
Hi!
The door's closed. So, starting with the external power, what is that?
External power is available. Okay, that looks like a left turn, good. There we do have the bus tie circuit breaker must be out. One circuit breaker.
Must tie out.
Generator off.
Generator is off.
And avionics off.
Avionics is off. And air is off.
Pressure on.
Pressure is on. Well, meter reading 24.
Okay, wonderful.
Just a sec. Okay, so started engine. Starter engaged. 5, 7, 12, 15. Fuel on. ITT. Oil pressure. Monitoring ITT is good. Standby. Horizon checked and set altimeter 1026. So parking brake is going off. Yeah, confirm?
Off.
Just on the taxi checklist.
And trim is neutral.
Trim is neutral. Brakes checked. Maybe you can check your brakes too.
I have my brakes. They work.
Perfect.
And it says condition lever fully forward.
Fully forward, yeah. So I step on brakes. Torque is rising. I'm just checking, so it's. We are all good, yeah.
Airspeed.
Alive. $65, 70.
Positive rate.
Gear up. I reduce a bit on the power.
Here.
Gear up selected. After takeoff checklist.
Landing gear up.
Gear up.
Flaps up.
Check.
Max continuous power 92%.
92%. Set even less. I set less just to have.
Good.
Okay, 2500. We are at the altitude. 87% on torque. Temperature good. Oil pressure is good. N2 is in perfect condition. RPM. Actually, they call it N2, but this is not very good what they call it. So yeah, we are good.
The landing gear is below 140 if we need that. Can I fly it a little bit?
Yeah, sure. When you tell me, I switch off autopilot.
Yeah, switch off, please.
Autopilot is off.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Go ahead with the checklist, continue. I'll tell him we are final. Okay?
Yeah. Condition lever max.
Flaps 15 selected, condition lever is max.
Zulu Sierra, Flug 26. We have 3 green.
3 green.
Fuel pump both on.
Both on.
The engine starts to ignition. Air condition off.
Air conditioning is off. It was off. Environmental air is still on.
Okay, we have seat belts, and below 109 we can go full flaps.
We are
approach
below.
speed 80.
Yeah, we are below. I will just wait a bit. So I will disconnect autopilot
Good.
now.
It flies nicely.
Yeah, it's a good aeroplane. Now, speed checked, full flaps selected. What's happening? Transition, okay. Approach speed 80.
80.
And flare speed?
It says 80.
80, yeah?
You can probably go a bit slower on the level of the flare.
Yeah. So we are clear to land, or it's not a tower?
No tower.
And landing lights is on.
We're lucky with the weather.
Yeah.
3 green.
Check and flaps check. Now I put back to idle just to reduce the speed and then. Okay, maybe not as. And now I go to reverse. Just slowly. Aha, okay, shimmy, you see?
Ja. Ik neem je aan het backtrack voor deze Ulfswimmer.
And now use some brakes. Backtrack, yeah?
Backtrack und zur Tankstelle über Bravo.
Jo. Okay.
Setting parking brake and then let's do the shutdown.
We have the 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Environment air off.
Environment air ECO off.
Avionics off.
Avionics off.
Lights off. Standby alternator off.
Alternator, standby alternator off.
Battery off.
Perfect.
While refueling, I tell you a bit of the story what we are doing. We are flying from Aisch Neustadt here to Giebelstadt for fueling, and then we are off to Lars where we do customs control, and then we are flying to Sion, Switzerland. The weather looks perfect for the winter time, and we are happy to be at this time of the year flying in these sunny conditions. Sion is a very tricky airport. We had to do special training on it, and we can approach at high visibility, and the decision altitude is 8,000 feet. 8,000, guys. It's just because on the left and on the right there are a lot of mountains. Fueling is done. And the bird is ready to fly. Danke.
Landing, wind 230 degrees, 2 knots, runway 21, clear to land. Runway 21, clear to land, long landing, Delta Victor India.
Takeoff clearance is received.